Enabling secure boot is one of the thing that you want to enable on our Asus. Here you can see how you can do it. You have to power on the system and press the delete key to enter the BIOS advanced mode as you can see on the screen. Click on the boot as you can see on the picture. Now click on the secure boot option. Now the OS type is other OS. Other OS means secure boot is off. Windows UEFI mode. Windows UEFI mode means secure boot is on or secure boot. Now this is the table on the screen by Asus.com to make you even better understanding of how secure boot works on other operating system of Asus. This is a standard key management. Now click on the Windows plus R or go to the MS Info and check if secure boot is on or off. And after following the step, you can see the secure boot is on, and I'll see you in the next one. The question is still why you should enable secure boot. Secure boot is an important security feature that most modern computers have in place of its own code. It was developed by UEFI Consortium, which includes many of the biggest PC technology companies in the world. Secure boot ensures that only trusted and verified code run where your computer starts up. So it's for security, and make sure it's always open up, and I'll see you in the next one.